Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the variance analysis. So we will see a small sum which deals with both material and labor variances. So here is the sum. The standard cost on material and labor for the making of a unit of a certain product or estimated as under. Okay, so we have the information for material, information for labor as well. So when we see the material variances, we are going to find out some like cost variance, price variance, like that. So there are four variables are involved here. Okay, standard quantity, standard price, actual price in case of material variance. Okay, and if it is labor variance, then the four variables will be standard rate, actual rate, standard hours, actual hours. Okay, so here we have to find out which is SQ. Everything is shortly called as like standard quantity is called as SQ. Actual quantity is called as AQ. ASP means standard price. AP means actual price. Okay. So we have to find out. I'm writing it here. Okay. Okay. Then SQ means standard quantity. AQ means actual quantity. SP means standard price. AP means actual price. So these are the variables which will be used for material variance. Okay. Now for labor variance, we will be using SH. SH means standard hours. AH, actual hours. Then SR, standard rate. AR, actual rate. Okay, so these are the variables which we are going to use it. Okay, so now we will see the standard cost on material and labor for the making of a unit of a certain product or estimated as under, which means the standard data is given here. Okay, so all SS is coming, right? SH, SQ, SP, like that. All the S standard information is given here. So the material, just look at the table here. Material 80 kg at rupees 1.5 per kg. So it is a standard data. Okay, so standard quantity is 80 kgs. Okay, then standard price is rupees 1.5. Okay, then look at the next line. Labor, standard data it is, right? So labor 18 hours at rupees 1.25 per hour. So what is it? Standard hours. 18 hours. Okay. And standard rate is 1 rupees 1.25. Okay, now coming to the paragraph. On completion of the production of a unit, it was found that 75 kg of material costing rupees 1.75 per kg has been consumed, which means it is actual data. It has been consumed, right? It's used. So it is actual data. Okay, so it was found that 75 kg is consumed. So actual quantity is 75 kg. Actual price is rupees 1.75. Actual. So actual quantity is 75 kg. Actual price is rupees 1.75 per kg. Okay. And the time taken was 16 hours. So that's the actual time taken. Actual hours is 16 hours. Okay. The wage rate being rupees 1.5 per hour. Okay. So that is the actual rate is 1.5 per hour. So you are required to analyze material and labor variance. Okay. So I'm going to take it like this so that it will be easy for us. Okay, so the variance is full of formulas. Okay, if you know the formula, it is going to be very easy. So first, we are going to start with material variance. Material variances. Under that, we are going to see three types of variances. First one is material cost variances. Okay, so here the formula is standard quantity into standard price minus actual quantity into actual price. Okay, that is nothing but standard cost minus actual cost. Okay, so here we are going to put all the numbers into the formula. Okay, so here SQ. What is SQ here? 80 kg. Okay, 80 kgs into standard price is rupees 1.5. Okay, minus actual quantity here is 75 kg. Okay, into rupees actual price is 1.75. Everything is given in the first line. So for the material variance, we want the first line data. Then the next data, SH, this data, right? This we want it for labor variance. So for material variance, we want only this much, SQ, AQ, SP, AP. Okay, so that is only the formula is here, 80 kg into 1.5. Okay, so 80 kg into 1.5, you will get 120. Okay, minus 75 kg into 1.75, 131.25. Okay, so when you do this calculation, 120 minus 131.25, you will get minus 11.25. So in variance, what we will do, if we are getting the answer in minus, we will write in the bracket A. Okay, A means adverse. We will just write as A. Okay, so A means adverse. If at all we are getting answer in the positive figure, then we will write F. Okay, so F means favorable. Okay, so material cost variance, answer is rupees 11.25 adverse. The next one, material price variance. Okay, so here the formula is SP minus AP into actual quantity. Okay, so here the data is given here, correct? So what is SP here? Just look at the first line. SP is 1.5 rupees, 1.5 minus AP is rupees 1.75 into actual quantity is 75 kg. Okay, so 1.5 minus 1.75. The answer is minus 0.25. Okay, into 75 kg. So here also the answer is coming in minus. So rupees 18.75. Okay, we will write as A. A means adverse. We are getting we got the answer in minus. Minus 0.25 into 75 kg. We got the answer in minus 18.75. So we written like this. Okay, and the third one is material usage variance. Okay, so here the formula is SQ minus AQ into SP. Okay, so here, what is SQ here? Okay, SQ is 80 kg. So 80 kg minus actual quantity is 75 kg into standard price. Standard price is how much? Rupees 1.5. Okay, so here when you do 80 minus 75 is 5 kg. Answer is in positive. Correct. 80 minus 75, positive 5 into rupees 1.5. Correct. So the answer is rupees 5 into 1.5. The answer is 7.5. Favorable. F. Favorable. Okay. Adverse, or you can minus figures, you can write either as adverse or unfavorable. Anything is fine. Positive figures we will write as favorable. Okay. Now we will take this labor, the data, what is required for labor variance, that we will take it over here again, which will be easy for us. Okay. The next one, I hope you understood the material variances. We have seen material cost variance, material price variance, and material usage variance. Now we will see labor variances. Okay, so here also we are going to see three things. Okay, so first one is labor cost variance. Okay, so here the formula. So here we are going to have four variables: SH, standard hours; AH, actual hours; SR, standard rate, AR, actual rate. Correct. So here we will start. So there it was SQ into SC. Correct. So here SH into SR minus AH into AR. Okay. So when you do this, when after writing the formula, just we have to apply. SH is 18 hours into standard rate is rupees 1.25 minus actual hours is 16 hours into actual rate is rupees 1.5. Okay. So 18 hours into 1.25, you will get 22.5 minus 16 hours into 1.5, you will get 24. Okay, so when you do this, you will get the answer rupees 22.5 minus 24 is obviously a minus answer, correct? So 1.5 adverse, rupees 1.5 adverse. Okay, now the next one, labor rate variance. So here the formula is SR minus AR into AH. Okay, standard rate minus actual rate into actual hour. So equal to standard rate is how much? Rupees 1.25. Actual rate is 1.5. Okay, then into actual hours is 16 hours. Okay, so 1.25 minus 1.5 is minus 0.25 rupees, correct? Into 16. So into 16. So obviously you will get the answer in plus or minus, minus, correct? 4 rupees. So adverse. Okay, A for adverse. The next one is labor efficiency variance. Okay, so here the formula is SH minus AH into SR. SH minus AH into SR. Okay, so here, what is the standard hour? Standard hour is 18 hours. 18 hours minus actual hours taken is 16 hours into standard rate is rupees 1.25. Okay, so 18 minus 16 is 2. Okay, into rupees 1.25. So it is going to come in positive figure. 2 into 1.25 is 2.5. Favorable. Positive figure, so it is 2.5 favorable. Okay, so this is how, it's very simple. So thank you for listening. I hope you all understood it, correct? So under material cost, under material variances, we have material cost, material price, and material usage variance. Under labor variances, we have material labor cost. Under labor variances, we have labor cost, labor rate, and labor efficiency variance. Thank you for listening. Thank you.